Hello and welcome to today's English lesson. So first of all, guys, can we all turn to wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera?
Hello.
Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap, and close our eyes. And when you're ready, guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. Excellent. And next we'll do our stretching sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we'll begin by stretching up high. High to the sky. And then let's go down low. Touch your toes. Next, back up high. And this time, can we go tippy-toe high? And when we're there, let's have a wave. And then back down, touch our toes. Stand up straight. And we'll do some rotations. We'll go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And now for some stretches. Let's do 5 stretches to our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. And now we'll do 5 stretches to our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good, guys. That's great. And now we'll do a little shake. Shake it out. Shake it out. Excellent. And to finish, we'll do 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. So in the previous few English lessons, we've been learning about 3 main groups of words. Now, I wonder who can tell me what them groups of words were. The first group of words are describing words, and they begin with A. Does anybody remember? Adjectives. Excellent, guys. Well remembered. A, D, J, E, C, T, I, V, E, S. Adjectives. Yes. And we learned how we can turn adjectives into another form of word beginning with C. Comparative. Well done, comparatives. C, O, M, P, A, R, A, T, I, V, E, S. Comparatives. And the final group of words that we learned beginning with S, superlatives. Very well done, guys. S-U-P-E-R-L-A-T-I-V-E-S. Adjectives, comparatives, superlatives. And what we're going to do now is a brief recap exercise where I'm going to ask my students to close their eyes and I will write an adjective on the board. And then we'll have the students turn that adjective into comparative and superlative. So let's see, who can go first? Okay, let's open our eyes, guys. Who has the pen? Pat, come and join me at the front. So first of all, I will write an adjective word. And I will write the word S-M-A-L-L. What adjective? Small. Okay, guys, so what do we need to do to turn small into comparatives smaller? What letters do we need to add? E-R. So can you write small? S-M-A-L-L-E-R. Excellent. Well done, Pat. So we've gone from small to smaller. That's the comparative. And now let's go one step further. Let's go superlative. Smallest. So what letters do we need to write now to turn it to E-S-T? So first of all, write small. We always start with small. M-A-L-L and then E-S-T. Perfect. Okay. No problem. Small and then E before S-T. Well done, Pat. That's excellent. So we've gone, ready guys? Small, smaller, smallest. Pat, that was excellent. High five. Big round of applause for Pat. But remember, there was 4 different rules we have to use. So now, let's close our eyes again. But Pat, you can relax. Okay, let's open our eyes again, guys. Who has the pen? Nadia. Come and join teacher at the front. Remember, some adjectives already have the letter E on the end. An adjective that we could use, C-U-T-E. Cute. Cute. So what do we need to do with cute to turn it into a comparative? We already have the E, so we just need R. So Nadia, can you turn cute into cuter? U-T-E-R. Perfect. Letter R, not S. R. That's the one. Brilliant. So we've gone cute, cuter. Now to the superlative, cutest. Okay? So always start with cute. C-U-T-E. And then S-T. Perfect, Nadia. So you see, we've gone cute, cuter, cutest, adjective, comparative, superlative. Nadia, that was brilliant. High five. Big round of applause for Nadia. Okay, let's see. Next student, let's close our eyes. Open our eyes, please, guys. Angbon, come and join me at the front. The next thing we're going to demonstrate, you stand here for me, Some adjectives need a second consonant before we add the other letters. And a good example is the adjective B-I-G. So remember, guys, we need to add the second consonant before the next letters. So how do we go from big to bigger? B-I-G. B-I-G. Excellent. But now we need another G. Yes, before E-R. Excellent, Bang Pon. You see, we've gone from big to bigger with a second consonant. So what do we do now, guys, to turn it superlative? Biggest. B-I-G-G-E-S-E-S-T. We'll go to superlative this time. Bang Pon, that's brilliant. So we've gone big, bigger, biggest, adjective, comparative, superlatives. Bang Pon, that was excellent. High five. Big round of applause for Bang Pon. And now one more word. We have one more rule. So let's see who can remember how to do this. Okay, guys. And who has the pen? Preo, come and join me at the front, please. Help me with the final rule. Remember what we do with letter Y? Adjectives that are ending letter Y. So if I write the adjective H-A-P-P-Y, happy. How do we turn happy to happier? What do we do with the Y? Delete the Y. Excellent. P-P-I-E-R. Excellent, Preo. Well done. We've gone from happy to happier. Delete the Y, I-E-R. Then, how do we go from happier to happiest? A-P-P-I-E-S-T. Excellent. So we've gone happy, happier, happiest. Adjective, comparative, superlative. Preo, that was excellent. High five. Big round of applause for Preo. And one more time, we'll practice speaking together, guys. We've gone small, cute, big, happy. These are adjectives. But then smaller, cuter, bigger, happier, comparatives. And finally, smallest, cutest, biggest, happiest, superlatives. Excellent, guys. That was great. Well done. And now we're going to move on to have a look at another topic. We're going to have a look at something that is around us all the time. But first, I need to delete the board. And teachers, what you'll need to do for this part of the lesson is to introduce the new topic, is print out the flashcards and cut them into individual pictures. And what we're then going to do is demonstrate how we can use the new topic. So first of all, guys, what do you think of this picture? What can you see in this picture? Any ideas? What can you see? Waterfall. This is a waterfall. So one more time, waterfall. Excellent. How about in the background here? What can you see in the background? River. Behind the river, mountains. Mountains. How about this one? Perfect. Ocean or sea, yes. Next one, have a look in the front. This water, it's not the ocean, not a river, a closed body of water beginning with L. Bigger than a pond. Lake, well done. Lake. And finally, the place where we will see lots of trees. Jungle is a good answer. Forest is the answer we're looking for. Jungle or forest, okay? So all together, guys, waterfall. Waterfall. Mountains. Mountain. Ocean. Ocean. Lake. Lake. Forest. Forest. Now, where do we find all of these types of places? Do we find them indoors, inside buildings? No. Are they outside? Yes. So do you know what words we give to all types of places that we can find outside, beginning with N? Nature. We can find these places in nature. So let's spell nature together. N-A-T-U-R-E. All of these places can be found in nature. Excellent, guys. And what we've got now is a PowerPoint presentation to show the different places where nature can be found. And we're also going to be using the group of words we've met already called adjectives. So let's all turn to have a look at the TV screen, guys, the PowerPoint presentation. So now let's take a look at our PowerPoint presentation about nature. Nature. Excellent. So what can we see in the picture so far, guys? What's this? Birds. Flowers. Trees. The moon. You can see the moon. The moon is outside with nature. The sky. Excellent, Lakgao. How about the green? Grass. You'll notice, oh, here, dog. We have a dog too. But you notice everything here is connected with outside. If we see things outside, we can say it's in nature. For example, Blue Lake. You can see here we have a blue lake. Blue is the adjective. Lake is the noun. Blue describes the lake. And like we know already, adjectives are describing words. So one more time, Blue Lake. But we can have different types of lakes. Wide lake. Yes, you see this lake is very wide. So the adjective here is wide lake. Deep lake. Yes, the water in this lake goes very far down into the earth. So we call it a deep lake. Deep is the adjective because it describes the lake. Narrow lake. Yes, this lake isn't very wide. It's the opposite, which we call narrow. Narrow is the adjective. Narrow lake. What are these? Mountains. You can see lots of mountains here. How about tall mountains? Yes, you see these mountains go very high into the sky, so we can call them tall mountains. Tall is the adjective word. It describes the mountain. Snowy mountains. Yes, some mountains are that high up that they get snow. They get covered in snow. The highest mountain in the world, do you know Mount Everest? The highest point in the world, in the Himalayas, and it's covered completely in snow. So here, snowy is the adjective. Rocky mountains. You can see here, there's not much snow on the mountains, but there's lots of rock. So we can call these mountains Rocky Mountains. Rocky is the adjective. And next we have waterfall. Big waterfall. Yes, you can see this waterfall is huge, very big, has lots of different waterfalls together. Big is the adjective because it describes the waterfall. Beautiful waterfall. Yes, this one is very pretty, so we can say it looks beautiful. How many waterfalls can you see together? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open waterfall. Yes, you can see here there is a wide open space in front of the waterfall. You could probably walk up to it. There's no water here. So we call open waterfall. Which word is the adjective? Open. Well done, because open describes the waterfall. Next, ocean. Misty ocean. Yes, sometimes on the ocean or the sea, there's like a fog. You can't see very far. This is called ocean mist or misty ocean. Yes. And here, blue ocean. Yes, you can see the color of the water is blue. And blue is a color. Colors are adjectives. Wavy ocean. Sometimes the ocean is very choppy and the waves come up and down. And that's when we say, wow, wavy ocean. These are what we call waves, ocean waves. So if we see lots of them, we say wavy ocean. So what was the first thing we saw? Lake. Second thing we saw? Waterfall. And then we saw mountains and ocean. But what's the one thing, guys, that connects all of these places together? Nature. They are all in nature. Any questions? Okay, well done, guys. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the PowerPoint presentation so that they can better understand about nature and some of the places that can be found in nature. So now, what we're going to do is a quick spelling activity to see if our students can remember the names of the places. So, first picture, guys. What's it called? Waterfall. Excellent, Prau. Now, can you help me spell waterfall? F-A-L-L. Waterfall. Very good. And our second place in the background, the very tall things are called mountains. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S. Mountains. But how about the third picture, guys? Ocean. Excellent, Nadia. How do we spell ocean? O-C-E-A-N. Excellent. So far we have waterfall, mountains, ocean, and how about this? Not quite the ocean. Excellent. Lake. L-A-K-E. Lake. It's like a small ocean. And finally, the thing where we can see lots of trees, beginning with F. Forest. F-O-R-E-S-T. So there we go, guys. We have waterfall. Mountains. Ocean. Lake. Forest. And all of these places can be found in nature. Excellent. Very well done. And now it's time for our stretch sequence. So let's stand up, guys, and push in our chairs. So this time we'll begin by jogging on the spot. Stop. Jogging on the spot. Stop. Stop. Hip. Turn left. Turn left again. Turn left. And left. Hello. Jogging on the spot. Stop. Jogging on the spot. Jogging on the spot. Quickly for 3. 3, 2, 1. Stop. Turn right. Turn right again. Turn right. Turn right again. Hello. And to finish, we will go into a ball. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jump! Excellent, guys. Have a seat. And now it's time for our worksheet activity. And for this activity, our students will get to colour and design their own place in nature. So teachers, what you'll need to do is print off enough worksheets for each of the students in your class. And there are 4 different types. We have waterfall, mountain, ocean, waterfall again, ocean, lake. So 4 different types. So teachers, you'll need to print off enough worksheets for your students. And it might be a good idea beforehand to decide which part of nature the students want to colour. So I've agreed with my students already. Lakgau, here's your one. You're welcome. Bangpon, for you. Net, for you. Pakbung, you're welcome. Chu, for you. Pat, for you. And Prel, for you. So all of our students, they have a picture of either waterfall, lake, mountains, or ocean. And what our students need to do now is to colour in their pictures the way they want to see. But guys, we also need to write a sentence too, so that you can describe your waterfall. So everybody needs to write the sentence, this is a And then this word here will be your adjective. And then, once you've written your adjective word, you write the name of your place. That's on your worksheet. So give our students around 15 minutes to complete this activity. And at the end, we can have some of them demonstrate their pictures together. Ocean. Nadia? Waterfall. Net? Mountain.
Waterfall. Lake.
Pat?
Mountain.
Blackout? Ocean. Two? Lake. Guys, so everybody needs to write this sentence too, okay? All together. This is a, and then this space here is the space for your adjective. You can think of a describing word for your place in nature, such as, Pangpon, you could write, this is a blue ocean. Or you can think of the adjective word yourself. But if you need any help remembering, let me know. We can have a look at the PowerPoint again. So lake, what type of adjective can you use for your lake? How can you describe your lake? This is a something lake. Beautiful?
Small.
Small, okay, good, because it's quite small. So you could write the sentence, this is a small lake. Pak Bung, what will you use to describe your waterfall? What word, what adjective? This is a...
Waterfall.
Yes, but before waterfall, what words will you use to describe waterfall? This is a beautiful waterfall. Okay. Or you can think of the adjective word yourself. So Nadia, how about your waterfall? Is your waterfall beautiful? Is your waterfall big? So you could say, this is a big waterfall. Okay? So everybody needs to write these words. This is a, and then your adjective. Lakau, how about your ocean? How will you describe your ocean? Is a perfect. If you need any help with spellings, guys, let me know. On the PowerPoint, we have beautiful for water. Will you describe your mountain? How about big or tall? This is a big mountain. I don't see any colours on your lake yet. Welcome back to class. We hope your students have enjoyed the worksheet activity by colouring in their nature places and also writing a sentence that describes it. And as you can see here, my students have all done a great job. And now they're going to tell you about each of their place. So Nadia. This is a big waterfall. Very good. Pat? This is a big mountain. Okay.
This is a small lake.
Excellent. This is a small lake.
This is a beautiful ocean.
And this is a beautiful ocean. So that was excellent, guys. All well done. And that's the end of today's lesson. So we hope you've had a good time. enjoyed it and found it interesting too. And we'll see you again soon for the next lesson. So can we all turn to wave and say goodbye to our friends on camera? Bye bye. See you again soon.